What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny. Now, if you direct your attention up here, you can see we're on the government website. Okay, it's the patents for the government website. And if you scroll down here, you can see this one was filed April 23rd, 1990, but it has to do with the patents from all the way back to 65 and the updated version in 88. And this is what it claims: a method of reducing atmospheric warming due to the greenhouse effect resulting from a layer of gases in the atmosphere which absorb strongly near-infrared wavelength radiation, comprising the step of dispersing tiny particles of material within the gaseous layer. The particle material characterized by wavelength-dependent emissivity or reflectivity, and that said material has high emissivities with respect to radiation in the visible and far infrared wavelength spectra, and low emissivity in the near-infrared wavelength spectrum, whereby said tiny particles provide a means for covering infrared heat energy into far infrared radiation which is radiated into space. The method of claim whereas said materials comprises one or more of the oxides of metals. The method of claim one wherein said materials comprises aluminum oxide. The method of claim wherein said material comprises thorium oxide. Said particles are dispersed by seeding the stratosphere with a quantity of said particles at altitude in the range of 7 to 13 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The method of claim wherein the size of said particles is in the range of 10 to 100 microns, comprises a refractory material. The method of claim wherein said materials is a well-bashed material. You see here it says it is presently believed that particle sizes in the 10 to 100 micron range would be suitable for seeding purposes. Larger particles would tend to settle to the earth more quickly. The particles in the required size range can be obtained with conventional methods of grinding and meshing. Says the greenhouse gases are typically in the Earth's stratosphere at an altitude of 7 to 13 kilometers. This suggests that the particle seeding should be done at an altitude on the order of 10 kilometers. The particles may be seeded by dispersal from seeding aircraft. One exemplary technique may be via the jet fuel, as suggested by prior work regarding the metallic particles. Once the tiny particles have been dispersed into the atmosphere, the particles may remain in suspension for up to 1 year. GeoEngineering at its finest today, fellas. Full 360 all the way around us. That's all you see. Yeah, just in case anybody was wondering what geoengineering looks like, this is it right here. You wonder why it's gonna rain for the next 3 days? Yeah, this is it right here. See what they're doing? They're altering the conditions of the weather. And they even got patents for this shit. Look at the sun. You can see all over the sun. Look, there's patented X's. And it's just everywhere. Here's some more proof of geoengineering. Shit is crazy, man.